shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily Dark Pool Whispers for April 30th. Last day of the month, you guys. Don't mess it up. I know so many of my traders in the room have had their best month, right? Mole Man said it was his best month this year. So awesome. Yep, maybe he should take the day off today. We're going to start with the SPY, which has taken a dive. So when I was mapping this out, we were up here this morning. So that's why I was bullish above 296, right? It wasn't that far, but since then we've regressed down the hill, bearish below 292.50. But still, this is a pretty big dark pool level right here. So that's so key. That's why we hit it, tagged it, and dropped. So we are going to be bullish still above 296. Looks like we want to retrace possibly down to the 4 EMA. Let's go to the E-minis. Same story, bull above 29.60 and bear below 29.35. We've gone below that already. The Russell, same situation. We've retraced to this channel trend line. Yeah, a lot of times when we pop above, we'll normally go back and retest it before moving up again. So we'll be, excuse me for 1 second. Sorry, I needed some water there. We are going to be bullish above 135 and bearish below 133, which we already took a little move below. The Qs tagged an upper target. As you can see on my chart, I'm only going to be bullish above that 222. Bear below 220 for the QQQs. The NASDAQ futures, we're going to be bullish above 91.25, bear below 90.40. And of course, oil has been so hot. We've been trading oil so many different ways in the Java Pit trading room. We're going to be bullish above 17.75 and bear below 17. You can see it's been pretty tight here, bobbling in between these Camarilla and Person's pivots, right? Yeah, it's like two algos duking it out. So that's why I picked those for the levels. And we're just going to go to gold. All right, gold, we're going to be bullish above 17.34. And we're going to be bearish below 17.22. Yeah, below this pivots. Yeah, we've held it all morning, or last evening, I should say. We came up to this Camarilla, right? So waiting to see which way gold wants to go. Let me just put this back up here. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. We are going to start with Twitter. And thank you to Kimberly for calling out these trades for me this morning. Yeah, so this morning we were over here. We're going to be bullish above 35, and we've taken a dive quickly on Twitter. Wow. What a difference an hour makes, right? Holy cow. Okay, so looks like we've already hit all of our targets on the downside. Yeah, so where do we go here? Let me just look at this for one moment. I would be bullish above 33 at this point. Yeah, if it were to rally back up right here, above 33. And I would be bearish below 29.50. All right, for a move down to 29. We should have some support where this 8 is, but wow, that thing had a wild move there. Let's go to Tesla. Tesla obviously likes its earnings, and we're going to be bullish above 876. I have 900 as a high-end target. Bearish below 860 for a retracement trade. And let's see, American Airlines. Yeah, bullish above 1360 and bear below 1250. We've already gone below the bear below level. as you can see. And so I would watch 12 now. Yeah, for the second test if it does come down for bear below. It really just hit my ultimate target. You see this retracement to the 4 EMA. Sometimes these trades happen pre-market and you just move on to the next trade most of the time, or it might move up here. I would watch 13.25 at this point. Yep, if it breaks above that for another move up. Yeah, the further it gets away from the 4 and the 8 EMA, the more it wants to retrace back down before moving up again. It's just the whole timing. It could happen pre-market. It could happen right at the bell. It could happen at, ultimately we want it to happen at 9:45 Eastern to about 10:45. That's the ultimate time, but sometimes these trades just happen. You just have to go to the next trade. So let's go to Facebook. Bullish above 212.50 and bear below 210. We've already gone below 210 for that retracement trade. I would watch 208. All right, for, the next short on the retracement. If it does go below that, that would be the next level. We got Zoom. Yeah, so what's good for Facebook? Not good for Zoom. Bullish above 142.50 for a retracement back up to the 4 and the 8. Bearish below 137.50. Yeah, so there's room to go down to this 50 simple moving average. All right, so let's look at the next one. Microsoft earnings did really, really well, or they like them at least. Bullish above 182 and bear below 180. We're touching down right there. Again, this is another retracement trade, gap fill possibility. Yeah, this is when the eye training comes in handy, right? So let's just pull this up for 1 second. Watch this 180 on the bid, you guys. Yep, see the 04 guy came in? Yep, there's the 180. This is when we see if there's refreshing on the bid. How many shares does he really want to buy there? Usually they fib. Yeah, if they want to buy 1 million shares, they're not going to show you they want to buy 1 million shares. They never get done, so they show you a couple hundred at a time. They get executed, and now we want to watch and see if he comes back. There he is. See that? Bam! Refreshing. 1014. You guys, watch that. I got to move on to the next one. NCLH. Bullish above 1820 and bear below 1650 for Norwegian Cruise Lines. Delta. Bullish above 2850. For this guy, there's a lot of room to go up. And bear below 27.50 for a little bit of a retracement trade back down to person's pivots. And MRO, bullish above 675 and bear below 620. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for the last day of April. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.